Hanchi, very good evening, everybody. Good evening, and a very warm welcome to today's session. I'm super excited to connect to all of you. I'm super happy to be able to, connect to all of you today. And one thing for sure I got to learn was what are the trending songs because of your suggestions in the chat box. So we could find some interesting song. जे मुंडे was very exciting. क्या बोलता है क्या शुरू करें क्लास शुरू करने से पहले ना I told you that I'll start the class at around 6:40 6:45. But before that, because some students are attending classes, they were sending me messages कि थोड़ा सा रुक जाते हैं. I thought we should talk about one thing first. What is that one thing that I want to tell you? INICET done. What now? Okay. So this is one question that is flooding my inbox everywhere. Sir, INICET हो गया. जैसा कर सकते थे कर दिया. But what should I do now? The INICET is done. Is over. Now what should I do now? So there are two probabilities. We'll go objectively. Exam went well. You did exam very well. It was good. Then what should I do? If the exam went well, this is the time to have the hope. Okay, hope that you have done well in the exam, and let's wait for the results. And I am as optimistic about your result as you are. I'm talking about you only, beta. Anyone who's listening to me on the chat box right now, I am sure you will not only be in the chat box, I'm sure you will be in the studio giving an interview to me soon. So I am hopeful. Are you hopeful? I'm always hopeful. Whatever may be the situation, whatever may be going on in my life, I'm always hopeful. I always keep this thing with me, hope. The reason I'm able to keep the hope alive is because I always believe in his plan. So I always believe यार उसने सोचा होगा ठीक सोचा होगा. Do you agree or not? Do you agree कि नहीं? ठीक है तो मैं सोचा उसने सोचा होगा ठीक सोचा होगा. If I am good, if I have done my best, I should be getting into the topmost institutes. If I have not done, somebody else has done, there will be something else better for me in score. Then second thing I want you to look at is if you have not done up to your expectations. If you have not done up to your expectations, what you need to look at it as, you need to look at the exam as a learning experience. In last few years, I have seen so many times, many of our students, when they appear for the INICET exam, okay? Many of the students, when they appear for the INICET exam, this is probably the first exam that many of you are writing. Many of you have not written the last INICET. Many of you have yet to write the NEET PG exam. Now what happens is when you give the first exam, you are a little bit nervous and you make silly mistakes in the exam. I want you all to tell me in the chat box, do you feel after giving the exam that it was doable? बहुत मुश्किल नहीं था, बहुत आसान भी नहीं था, but it was not very difficult. But because we were nervous, because we were giving an exam after a gap period, it was the first exam, we were overwhelmed, postponement, preponement, दुनिया में हालांकि जो हो सकता था सब हो गया था, and we were feeling little tentative, and you made some silly mistakes. The paper was doable. As usual in a INICET exam, they have some ups and downs. जैसे थोड़ा PSM को भूल गए, थोड़ा biostats भूल गए, वो हो जाता है कभी कभी. I have seen usually in the INICET sometimes the third year they forget the PSM of the ENT वाला part. Sometimes they forget. So one subject out of them sometimes they forget. So that's okay, it happens. And secondly, I hope you remember, maybe some subjects were a little bit more tough. Psychiatry is always more tough in INICET because NIMHANS also makes the questions. And the questions that are made by NIMHANS are more on the tougher side. Okay, so the paper had a little bit tougher psychiatry, but if you've done the regular classroom, I'm sure you were good about it. Radiology was tricky because it was all integrated, but I told you it is always integrated. Ophtha also slightly tough this time. And we saw that anatomy was also, a little bit more tricky. Anatomy was also a little tricky because it was all integrated. It was more complicated stuff was there. But what I want you to understand is that the exam is now over. You have to look at it as a learning experience. Not only did you learn about the subjects and the exam, after this exam, you have also learned about your own self. Do you agree कि नहीं? अपने बारे में भी पता चला कि मैं पेपर में क्या गलती कर रहा हूं. Is my problem my silly mistakes? Is my problem my time management? Was my problem revision? What was the issue? मैंने क्या गलत किया ऐसा? So this should be a learning experience. Then what we need to know is that there is a bigger opportunity coming our way. This bigger opportunity is called as NEET PG. When we are appearing for INI CET exam, it is just a matter of maybe 1,000 seats or 1,500 seats. But now you're looking at an exam which is much bigger in number of seats. So now you have a bigger opportunity coming your way called as NEET PG. So let me ask you in the chat box, क्या आप इस एग्जाम में आपने अच्छा नहीं किया तो will you spoil the bigger opportunity? No. You will make sure that NEET PG happens better. So what we need to know is NEET PG has some differences from INI set. And I will also talk about the approach and then we will start with the class today. The differences between the NEET PG and INI set are NEET PG you have 120 questions from third, fourth year, 80 questions from first, second year. Clinical style of questions is predominant. In NEET PG, now the questions will be more clinical. Don't compare from AIMS or INI set exam where you found a lot of factual kind of question, which is ironic that a Central Institute has more factual questions happening in the paper, while NEET PG will have more clinical style question. Third, fourth year will be predominating. You will have 5 blocks, 5 time bound sections of 40 questions each, 42 minutes each. ठीक है, यहाँ INI set के अंदर you had 50 question 4 blocks. Most of the questions will be single best answer type. Now compare it with the INI set where you had match the following, assertion, reasoning, multiple completion type. It was taking more time and image based questions. This would be the predominant pattern of NEET PG. If I was in your place, after the INI set is done, I would definitely take 1 or 2 days to recover, find out what I did right, look at the recalls, see the YouTube, what is going on, and then I would make a plan for the NEET PG. My planning should include 3 things. Am I revising everything which is high yield once more? आखिर में रिवाइज तो करना पड़ेगा ना. Why we were making silly mistakes? Probably one of the reason for silly mistakes is that maybe I'm not revising enough. So if I have not revised, my goal number 1 will be revise DVT, revise the PYQ sessions. Okay. So both NEET PG and FMG previous year questions you should revise because the board is same. So DVT helped in INI set also. So please revise them. This should be your first thing. Second thing, any subject where you are weak at, okay, any subject where you are weak at, which is your weak area, okay, and it is a big subject, like out of these, medicine, surgery, obs gynae, PSM, patho, pharma. So any subject, if you are weak in these subjects, then my suggestion will be add your TND discussions to the DVT. Are you understanding this? If you are weak in any of the big subjects, then add TND discussions to these subjects. Then you will have a more comprehensive thing. Medicine का TND भी हो गया, DVT भी हो गया, कोई हरा नहीं सकता. That is the mantra. Okay. If you have weak subject is a short subject. Skin, anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry, orthopedics, and even forensic. Stick to DVT. If it is a short subject, stick to DVT. So what I've done is I've taken 12 subjects out of the picture. TND discussions, not the question alone. If you have not done it, you're weak in this, finish the TND. Okay. If you are a regular course student, instead of TND discussion, you can use the class test discussion. So when you go to your online test series, you will find a class test discussion. You can use that as well. Okay. This should be the mantra for the remaining period. Then what we need to do is we need to practice the exam. My suggestion to you is, and the subjects which are left behind, the subjects which are left like anat, biochem, physio, micro, any other subject you can think of which is left in this discussion, pedia. Okay, first year, second year, pediatrics, any other, ophtha ENT. Okay, I think more or less these are the subjects which are left. These are the subjects where DBT primarily will be enough. You may add maybe one test paper to look at or discussion, or you may not, it is up to you. But what we can do is you can look at the T&D papers, not the discussion here, if you are not weak at that. If you are weak, you can add discussion here also. So what I do is I usually divide in the revision big subjects, small subjects, intermediate subjects. Big subjects, you may even need to look at your main notes if you have underlined them and you want to look at your main notes, good idea. But not for the intermediate or the short subjects. Short subjects only DBT. Okay, I see one bacha has asked us a back to basics notes. Yes, for bigger subjects, those back to basic notes, if you have marked and you can do them fast, you can do it. Then what you need to do is your GT frequency has to become weekly, and there are 2 CBTs now for NEET PG, 2 CBTs for FMG. I'm sure many of you have already registered, but now your idea has to be exam environment simulation. हर हफ्ते ग्रैंड टेस्ट देना है, and then you need to be in the CBT, feel the exam environment so that you don't feel overwhelmed anymore. इस INI CT में आप घबरा गए थे, लेकिन NEET PG में you should feel it is as simple as giving the exam. Okay. After the CBT is done, the paper will be uploaded in the app itself so that you can see it there also. So what I have done is FMG, there will be FMG CBTs, जो foreign medical graduate को देना है, NEET PG CBTs. Okay. For the students who are appearing for foreign medical graduate screening exam, use instead of DBT, you use DFX plus PYQ for revision. Because FMG exam is primarily covered by these two resources, DFX and PYQ. If you do this, it should solve your purpose plus CBT for exam practice. Okay. So this is what you should be doing in the final month. And I know some students are saying कि सर एग्जाम हॉल में बहुत गर्मी थी टेस्ट देते हुए, तो फिर क्या सोचा था कि शिमला में पेपर हो रहा होगा क्या? I hope you understand, we have to keep it in mind that when we are appearing for the exam, it is going to happen in the environment that is around. Be mentally prepared, be tough for it. वो CBT देके करना है, कर लेंगे, ठीक है? And just remind yourself of it. Just once more before I start the radiology class, just remind yourself. एक बार अपने आप को याद कराना है कि अपने अंदर वो सुपर पावर है जो हम इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. We all have that super power. वो सुपर पावर है कि whatever is happening to you, whatever is happening in the exam is all in your control. आपके हाथ में है, आप इग्नोर कर रहे हो अपनी पावर को. You have to tell yourself that I have the remote control of my life in my hand. Can you say it to me? क्या आप ये बोल सकते हो कि मेरी जिंदगी का रिमोट कंट्रोल मेरे हाथ में है? And then you need to just press the button and say hard work, discipline, test practice, revision, and you will make it happen. Can you do it or not? Can you do it for me or not? Can you say, I will not let any exam day mishap affect my performance? मैं नहीं होने दूंगा ऐसा कि एक दिन पंखा नहीं चल रहा था एग्जाम में, मैंने अपना एक साल खराब कर दिया. मैं नहीं चाहता मेरे किसी भी बच्चे के साथ ऐसा हो. So can you be little bit more tough? थोड़ी सी मेरे लिए कोशिश करोगे? Because as a teacher, I am very, very proud of each one of you. And I am here to tell you, कोई भी रिजल्ट आता है, कैसा भी रिजल्ट आता है, आप हमेशा मेरे पास आ सकते हो. You can always come back to me and talk. हमारा रिश्ता आपकी रैंक से लिंक्ड नहीं है. As a teacher, I'm proud of your journey and I'm sure you will do your best. The only thing I'm asking you is, can you all promise to me that you will go to the exam, and come back and tell me, sir, I have no regrets, I did my best. और रिजल्ट जब आया ना आया, डेस्टिनेशन मिली कि नहीं मिली, आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड. मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज चाहिए कि दैट यू कम बैक एंड टेल मी दैट आई डिड माय बेस्ट. एंड फाइनली बिफोर आई एंड दिस डिस्कशन, one day before your NEET PG or FMG exam, look at your wrong diary. Look at your wrong diary. What are the things that you are making mistakes on, so that you don't miss out on any of these mistakes. Look at your wrong diary and then give the best exam of your life. This is the simplest idea that I thought. Before I tell you about radiology, I know you already know most of the answers and discussion, but I thought I should tell you what to do now. INI CT हो गया तो क्या मैं रोता रहूंगा या हंसता रहूंगा कि अच्छा हुआ बुरा हुआ, छोड़ना यार, आगे की तैयारी करते. Let us make it happen. Let us make it happen. There is a bigger opportunity, even bigger than your, even bigger than your INI CT, which is NEET PG, which has much more seats left. Okay.